Hello world! I'm Pablo Marx. Nice to have you here with me. And I am that guy from Brazil. I'm a guy who is trying to learn software development to change careers. And you are welcome to my weekly show in English. Today we are gonna make a challenge from freecodecamp.org, uh, a code challenge in Python. We are going to create a Polygon area calculator, and you will code it together with me. If you are watching this on my YouTube channel, That Guy from Brazil, welcome to my channel. Don't forget to subscribe and to like this video and share it with your friends who are like me studying programming. Okay? And if you're watching this live on Twitch, now we have one spectator, one viewer, live viewer. Welcome to my live stream. You are welcome to comment, to chat with me. I would be very, very happy. Before we start, I do not know if you can see. I'm with a little purple thing on my nose. Yeah, I'm looking like that characters from X-Men Evolution cartoon. Do you remember? Some mutants had a little purple thing on their noses. I'm like it. Uh, I was changing. I was wearing up my dressing up my daughter, and my wife threw at me a hoodie for my daughter. My daughter has my daughter is 6 months old, 7 months old, and my wife threw at me a blouse hoodie, and I realized that the hoodie was coming right in my face. I thought, no problem, I will dodge it with my face and get it in my hands. When I did it, I felt incredible pain in my face. Exactly the zipper thing that thing you go with your zippers up and down, a big zipper. I think it's big. I do not know why a 7 month old hoodie uh, has such a big zipper. That thing crashed strong in my nose, and now I'm feeling pain here, a little pain. It was yesterday that this happened, and okay, I have new colors on my face. Okay, this is it. So let's start. Let's get started with the challenge. We have here the Python course on FreeCodeCamp, and we have the Polygon area calculator here. We can click this link to start the code on Replit. I already have an account in Replit, so this will be cloned automatically for me. Okay, let me just open a new window here for the other monitor. Okay. Okay, so here we have our assignment. This is one of the easiest challenges, Python challenges on Free Camp, I think. So we have to make a class, a rectangle class with some attributes, namely width and height, and some methods: set width, set height, get area, get perimeter, get diagonal, and it's interesting. These three methods, they gave us even the formulas we should return. So it's easy. It's very easy. Get picture is a less simple method, but it's easy. For example, if you create an instance of a rectangle 10 of width and 5 of height, when you do we later changed the height for 3, so we have a rectangle with 10 by 3. When we invoke the get picture, it must return to us 3 lines of stars with 3 lines with 10 stars. This is the get picture. So it's a little more complex, but it's easy. And get amount inside, it's easy too. I will explain it later, but I will explain this now. If we have uh, a rectangle, for example, here we have a rectangle 10 by 5, and we call on it get amount inside, open parentheses, and put another rectangle, let's say rectangle 10 by 5. Let's put rectangle 2 by 3, 3 by 2. How many times the 3 by 2 rectangle fits inside the bigger rectangle than 10 by 5? We made some calculations. 3 fits 3 times inside 10, 2 fits 2 times inside 5, 3 by 2. So we have exactly 6 times. So get amount inside should returns 6. Okay, it's simple as this. So it's not a great challenge. Based on rectangle class, we need to do a square class that should be a subclass of rectangle. The difference is we should have just a set side method, and set width and set height should set the both at the same time. Okay, so probably we will have set side method setting width and height, and set width and set height will simply invoke set side method. Okay, this is it. And finally, this is it. This is all the challenge. Probably one of the easiest of the Python challenges on Free Code Camp. So let's get started. But before, I would to invite you to join our Discord group. I create a Discord group called Dev After 30. Let me show you. This Dev After 30. This is a Discord group for people who are after in their 30s or after, in their 40s or 50s or 80s, I don't know, 90s even. There is someone with more than 100 years. Oh, there is someone who is uh, more than 100 years old trying to learn code. This is interesting, okay? If you are after your 30 years and you want to change careers and become a professional developer and get a job, a professional job, this is a group, this is a server on Discord when we can change experiences and tips and get help. For now, it's just me and another Brazilian guy, but you are invited to this from wherever you are in the world, okay? Let's put the link. Let's get invitation. How can I create an invite? Copy. Okay, let's copy invite and put it here on the chat for you, my dear spectator. Here is the invite. And if you are on YouTube, here in the description or the first comment, you will see the link for our Discord group. So let's get started with the challenge. We come here in shape, calculator, loading interface. Is my connection good? I hope so. Are you hearing me? I hope so. Test module. Shape. Okay, it's here. And readme, I need the readme. Okay, let's go back to shape. So let's start with class rectangle. Let's just put here init def init. Okay, self width height. Self dot width equals to width self dot height equals to height. Is this no? This is not right. Right. Okay. Let's define that square. It's a subclass of rectangle. And let's just pass here. I think it's good. Let's try to run. Get area. Okay, let's start by this. Get area. Def get area. It doesn't need arguments. It needs one argument, self. It needs self. And let's put it here. Return self.width and self.height by self.height. Okay, let's run again. Okay, set width. Okay, let's put it before def set width and oops, self width, and let's just determine that let's just repeat this line. Okay, and the same with height. Okay, let's play this again. I'm waiting. And nothing is happening. Okay, get perimeter. Okay, it's going fine. Let's put this here. Def get perimeter self return to by self dot width plus 2 by self dot height. Okay, this is good. Let's do get diagonal. Already, def get diagonal self return this is Pythagoras. I do not know how to pronounce Pythagoras' name in English. In Portuguese is Pythagoras. Anyway, if you have some questions about Brazil, I would be happy to answer this, okay? And do you have some questions? How is life in Brazil? Something like that? You are welcome. Okay, let's see. Diagonal, okay, let's try this. Oh, we are starting to see some responses here. Okay, we need to do square now. It's square, so let's set square here. Square will receive what? Square single side length. Okay, side. So let's def init self side and I can just call super here, super init side. This is it. It will call the rectangle class with a height, width of side and a height of side, and this is it. But it will break if I use set width and set height in square. But I think this is resolve the problem with the errors here. Okay, let's see. Square has no. Okay, we need to define set side. So def set side. Are you hearing my daughter crying? I think you can hear. This is the challenges to study. I have to study here, but I know my wife is with my child crying. And I know my wife would like my help. Okay. Oh my. Let's see. Set side. I can just copy these lines here and put them here. Change this by side and this by side. Okay. Let's see. There's another error. Okay. No more errors. Just failed tests. Okay. Just of 6 errors. In fact, text 3 failures on 15 tests. We are passing 6 plus 3 9. We are passing 6 tests already. It's good. Let's just resolve some more tests. First, I know that if I call set height and set width and square, I need to set both width and height. So if I call width here, I'm super I'm writing over the rectangle class. Okay, I think it's this way I can do. I think I can do just this. I think this will do the trick. And let's do the same for set height. Three failures, 6 errors. The same. Yeah. So let's try to just follow this assignment. Yes, genre, okay, get picture. Let's do this. Dev get picture. Let's define output as an empty string, and for e and height, self in range self height, we will do three height lines, okay? And in each line we'll do output plus equals star times self width okay, output plus equals line feed. Okay, and finally we return output, but this code will put a line field in the end of the output, and I don't think it's necessary. Let's see the test. To see this, let's see the test. Oops, no. Here, files, test. Test distinctive classes, rectangle, string, square, test perimeter, diagonal. Here. No, it is expecting final line feed. Okay, it's okay. So this is it. We don't need any more. We can just return output here. So get picture must be done. Let's run again. Let's clear this. Let's run. Oh, 3, 4, 7. I think it's done. Let's continue. Get picture is done. Get amount inside. Okay, get amount inside. We will receive another shape. So let's define get amount inside self shape. We want to know how many times shape fits inside the rectangle, for example. So let's see vertical. Vertical will be, oh no, let's start with horizontal for horizontal equals to horizontal equals to self dot height, no, width, integer division by shape dot width, and vertical equals to self dot height integer division by shape dot height. Return horizontal by vertical. That's it. This is it. Okay, I think it's good. Let's run again. Oh, just 4 failures. We are going. Okay, we are going very fast with this one. It's indeed one of the most simple assignments from FreeCodeCamp in Python. Even in JavaScript, I did the JavaScript certification, and it was that simple too. This is the most simple, the simplest, and the easiest to do. So we need to, if instance of rectangle is represented as a string, it should look like rectangle width height. Okay, so we can do this here too. Def string self return f string rectangle width equals self width, comma, height equals self height. Okay, close parenthesis, close. Okay, here, close string. And we need to define the same for square, because square is different. Square does have width and height. Square has side. So we can just copy this, paste here, and here we can copy here, paste here, and change this by side. Oh, no. Self width. Okay, it's good. And this is it. Let's see. Close here, play again. Okay, just 1 failure now. It's very good. Test big picture. Oh yeah, test big picture. I forgot one thing. Get amount inside has another row. Where is this row? Get a picture here. If the width or height is larger than 50, this should return the string too big for picture. Okay, so I need to put here, and if self.height greater than 50 and or self.width greater than 50, return too big for picture. This is it. Okay. Console close, play. And we are done. We are done in half an hour. It's incredible. It's the easiest. This is the easiest challenge on FreeCodeCamp, I think. It's pretty simple. I like it. I like easy things. Okay. So now I have to change this name. Okay. Polygon area calculator. Let's see this on a Revate tab to see if it's working. Let's play this. Okay, it's working. I can see the code here. It's a very simple code, very straightforward. It even needs no commentary at all, no comments at all. So simple. I like it. It's clear. It's very clear. Okay, so I can just get this and put this on my FreeCodeCamp. Here, and here. Okay. Maybe I can start the next. This is a bit more difficult. Probability calculator. It's more or less like this. You have a hat. You put a lot of balls inside this hat. And you get from the hat some balls. Let's say 3, 4, or 5 balls from 20. And there is a lot of different colors of balls inside this hat. So what is the probability of you get 2 balls of one color, 3 balls of other color, you know? And this challenge asks you to make this probability calculation with brute force, repeating the test a lot of times. So we need to do 2 things. First, head class. It will create a class with a method. This will create a hat with a lot of balls inside of it with different colors, and you will make I will make a method to get that balls out, some of that balls out, and count it. And after this, we will do a function named experiment outside the hat class. And this experiment function will receive the hat the expected balls, and the number of experiments you will do. So we can make a lot of experiments and um, made some tests and calculate the probability based on this experiment. So it's a little bit uh, more difficult. It's we have here in the probability calculator two modules imported: copy and random. Copy helps you to copy a object, make a copy, a shallow or a deep copy of object or dictionary. And random helps you with we need to do get randomly balls off the hat. So let's get started. Oh yeah, one more thing. If we look here inside the tests, we have one test interesting. I probably don't want to put the red, blue attributes of the function of the class hat hard coded, because there's a test when it put a color named test equals 1, and it hopes it expects this to work. So I need to write functions that accept any color name, even if the color doesn't exist or is, for example, in another language I do not know, but I need to accept any arbitrary named argument. And I really don't know exactly how to do that in Python. Okay, I do not know how to do. So I need to start studying this. So let's search, let's do some research on how to write Python functions attributes. Python functions attributes. Attributes. I'm talking attributes. It's wrong. It's wrong. Really, I want to find parameters, right? Everything Python is an object, has methods and attributes. Functions too are objects, so they have attributes like other objects. All functions have a built-in attribute doc adds. It's really, I'm not searching for attributes. I want to find about function parameters in Python. Function parameters. Function parameters in Python. Arguments, okay. Val1, val2, okay. Name the functional parameters with defaults, okay. Potential function parameter problems. Order. Variable Python function parameters list. Isso. This is it. Okay, I found it. The Python coolness really kicks in when you start to look at variable parameter lists. You can write your functions without even knowing what parameters will be passed in. In the function below the asterisk, it's like Portuguese asterisco. I was calling it a star. Asterisk in front of the vowels parameter means any other positional parameters. And for vowel in vowels, if vowel okay. No. Dict. Oh, here. We can also do the same kind of thing with named parameters. A double asterisk in front of the dict parameter below means any other named parameters. This time Python will give them to us as a key value pairs in the dictionary. Key value in dictionary. This is it. This is what I need. This is what I need. String key, string value. Okay. Okay. We get full bar. Yes, this is it. Prefix. Okay. Yeah, this is what I need. So let's start. Now I know how to do. So let's start here. Prob calculator. So how can we do this? Class hat. Let's def init it. It will receive. The hat will receive. Self dot self and asterisk dict with the colors. Okay. And I need to create contents that will be a list with my balls. Okay, this is an example. So I will start with self dot contents equals to an empty list. After that, for key value and dict, dot items. For I in range value. For example, I will receive red 2. Okay, so for value is 2, I will insert red 2 times inside my self content. So for I in range value, self contents dot append key. So I create my self contents here. I think this is it. Here I will put a pass, and I think I can run for the first time. Okay. Add object has no attribute contents. Okay, this is my error here. Let's run again. Okay, failed two errors. Run 3 tests, 2 errors. Okay, first test is okay. Test hat draw. Okay, so now I need to draw some balls from the hat. I need to create this draw. How can I do this? The class should have a draw method that accepts an argument indicating the number of balls to draw from the hat. Let's do this. Def draw number. This method should remove balls at random from contents and return those balls as a list of strings. The balls should not go back into the hat during the draw, similar to an earn experiment without replacement. If the number of balls to draw exceeds the available quantity, return all the balls. There is a function inside this random module that I think is exactly what I need. Let's just search for Python random. Here, I was reading about it. I think what I need here is exactly this sample. I can put a population. This will be all the contents of the hat, and I need to receive here a k. It's the length of list of unique elements chosen from the population. Use it for random sampling without replacement. What I do not know is what happens when I try to sample with a key bigger than population. Okay, let's try this out here on the Python console. Let's try random dot random is here. Bash. Oh, no, I need to be in the shell. Okay, random. No, it's here. Import random Python. Okay, import random random dot sample. So if I have, for example, red, 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 blue, oh, it's, oh, oh my. Okay, it crashed. I cannot copy this. Copy. Paste. Okay, blue. It's fine. Just 4. Comma 2 and close. Red, red. Okay. Again. Blue, red. Again. Blue, red. Again. Red, blue. Okay, it's fine. Now, what happens if I change these 2 by I change this 4 and 4? It will return the entire, okay, entire just at a random place, okay. But if I put a 5 here, what happens? Okay, sample larger than population or is negative, okay. So I need to put oops, I'm this wrong project, okay. I need to put condition here. So let's start with this condition. If number greater than, I need to put self here. If number greater than self contents length, return self dot contents. Okay, else return random dot sample self dot contents number. That simple. It's that simple. Let's run this again. One error. Why? Let's close this, run again. One error was where fail had no type and float. Where assert line 94.3 unit test. Oh, delta certain problem. No. The error is in the experiment here. One failure here. 7 spat hat draw to reduce number of items. Oh, expected hat draw to reduce number of items in content. So when I draw this, I need to remove the content here, the sample from the content. Oh, wow. Here I needed to make, so I draw, okay. This is what I think choices do. Return a case size, the list of elements choose from the population with replacement. I do not know what this means with replacement. Maybe it's change. Maybe it changes the population. Is this? Let's try this. Let's try this here. No, here. Let's try this. Clear Python import random random. Now let's create a variable here. Content equals to red, blue, yellow, black, and green. Okay, so if I do a random dot sample contents 2, for example, I get back a list, but my contents are the same. Okay, so what if I do a random dot sample or sample excuse me, a choice random choices plural, it's plural here, population ek. Okay, randoms contents key equals 2 choices got an unexpected word key. Oh no, it's not key, it's k. Okay, red, blue. Okay, and if I see the contents, red, blue is there yet. It's not what I want. Let's take, oh, okay. It's got it. It can get red 2 times. This is the difference between sample and choices. Choices, each choice is again over entire sequence. Okay. So now what I do need to do is a difference between the sample and the original draw. Okay, but if I call the draw another time, I need to have the content intact. Oh, this is difficult. This is difficult. Let's see here again. Do a test. So when I call draw, I need to make this again. Ah, now I know why we need this copy here. Okay, let's see here what I can do. Maybe maybe if I do uh, different. I have two options here. I can choose one ball at a time at a random and get this ball out my contents, or I can calculate the sample. Let's just name this sample here, and I can make a diff between the sample and contents and make this operation. That it must there must be an operation like this. How to make the difference list subtraction in Python. Hey, okay, list subtract. No, no, it's not this I want. Set x, set y, no, no. Set subtraction, no, 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 no. I have a lot of different items. Oh, it will be the same. No, 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 no. Oh, repeated it items here. This is it. Okay. Set list B. No, no. No, 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 no. Remove all the occurrences. No, this is simple. What I want is a little different. How to remove an item from a list. Python. Remove orchids. List remove. List remove. I can use list remove. List remove. Let's see. For ball and sample self contents dot remove ball return sample. I think let's try this. Okay, it worked. It worked. Two lines. This is awesome. This is awesome. It's working. Now let's write our experiment. We will run the experiment a lot of times, but after the first time we'll draw, it's done forever. The contents are done. We have to start again. So how we do another draw from the hat without create another object? So I needed to made when we start a new draw, let's just make contents here original. Let's do see here like original contents, original contents. Okay, and after we made the original contents, we create a self.contents that will copy dot self original contents. I think this resolved the problem. Okay, and when we start a new draw, we'll set the contents again as a copy of the original contents. This way we can run a lot of draws from the same hat instance. Now let's write our experiment function. The experiment function here says the experiment function should return a probability. For example, let's say that you want to determine the probability of getting at least 2 red balls and 1 green ball when you draw 5 balls from a hat containing 6 black, 4 red, and 3 green. To do this, we perform n experiments, count how many times m we get at least 2 red balls and 1 green ball, and estimate the probability as m over n. Each experiment consists of starting with a hat containing the specified balls, drawing a number of balls, and checking if we got the balls we were attempting to draw. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. So we need to convert sample to a way to know if to compare with our expected balls. We need to count how many times a value from expected balls appears inside my draw. How to count values. Count values list Python. Count method. Fruits count cherry. Okay, it's easy. It's easy. So let's do this. First, we will make we we need to make, okay, n is the number of experiments. Okay, num experiments. M we get at least. Okay, so we can do here is create a variable named event, current event, random durable. I do not know. I don't know what is named the event. Number. Okay, event. Let's just like this. Okay. Okay, equals to 0. For, let's name this for I and range num experiments. Okay, let's do this. We start with sample equals to at dot draw num balls drawn. Okay, now for key value from expected balls dot items is great, is okay, equals to true. Okay. If sample dot count key, I will count how many times inside sample we have the key. If this count is less than the value, less than expected balls, I will turn is okay to false. This event is not okay, and I will break the loop. I can break the loop. Break. Okay, I can break the loop. If is okay. If is okay. Okay. Plus. Okay. Increments. Plus plus. Okay. Plus plus. At the end of this loop, I simply do okay, return, okay, divided by none of experiments. Is this? Oh, it's what's the invalid sinks expected or key value in key in okay. It's so simple. I think I thought it was be more difficult. No. Oh. Okay plus plus is not okay. Okay plus equals 1. It's okay. Oh, it's okay. It's so simple. Oh, it's I think it's simpler than the test before it. Oh, how good. It's not even 11 here. Here behind me. Oh, here behind me. Oh, here? No, here. Here behind me. It's not even 10 and half. 10 and half. Okay. It was, wow. It was fast. So let's rename this. Let's rename this. Okay. And see this on a private tab. Let's run this. Wow. Incredible. Incredible. All the tests pass. I'm unbelievable. Unbelievable. I'm very happy here. I'm very happy here. Okay, it's okay. I can put this on my free code camp. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. And I completed it. Ask me later. That analysis, no, please. Now I want to get my certification. Where is my certification? Complete. Collapsing. Accept it, complete right on projects. I think it's okay. Okay, it's completed. Claim your certification. Where I can, oh yeah, this will be, let's just I will just put this on other monitor. I think this will reveal information from me. Let's see. Claim certification. No, that doesn't show. It doesn't show. Claim certification. You have successfully claimed the scientific completion. Congratulations on behalf of the Free Code Camp team. Oh, this is so sweet. Let's open my profile on Free Code Camp without my login, logout, log it out. This is my profile. This is my beautiful face here, and I have I already have the JavaScript and algorithms structures certification, but now I too have scientific computing with Python certification. Oh, this is so good. This is so good. I'm very happy. I'm very happy with this. So, oh, two challenges and one night. Almost 1.5 hours of work. I was expecting more. Oh, maybe I'm getting better at programming. Is this? Oh, if so I'm very happy. So this is it. Now, what we will have for the next week, I will see. I do not know if I will start studying Free Code Camp, other certifications, but we see next week. This video will be on YouTube on my channel, That Guy from Brazil, and you can watch me live every Thursday from 9 p.m. Brazilian time. I do not know what what time is where you live, so I will put my schedule on Twitch so you can see. Okay, twitch.tv/Pablo Marx. You're welcome here. You are very welcome here on my channel. We see you again, and bye.